Are you a CSE student in Bangladesh? Are you tired of wasting hours on coding, assignments, presentations, and project research? What if I show you the best free AI tools that can save your time and improve your skills instantly? Let's dive in. Welcome to Growth AI Technologies. Here, we help students use AI for productivity. Subscribe now, and let's start with tool number 1. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. It's incredibly powerful for generating coding examples, explaining difficult concepts, and debugging errors. You can even convert code between languages. But remember, understand the code first. Don't just blindly copy it. Next is GitHub Copilot. It suggests code as you type, helping you write functions faster and reduce syntax mistakes. For students, there are free options via the GitHub Student Benefits. It's like having an AI coding partner by your side. Tool number 3 is Notion AI. Many struggle with poor organization, but Notion AI helps you plan projects and summarize research. For presentations and resumes, use Canva. Their AI features can generate a 10-slide presentation on basics like machine learning instantly. Finally, Google Gemini is perfect for deep research and comparing technologies like React versus Angular for your projects. Now for the bonus. AI tools won't make you successful automatically. Use them as an assistant to learn and build faster. If you master these, you can start freelancing, build SaaS projects, or create content. Your big future starts with these small daily improvements. If this was helpful, like the video and comment, "I am a smart CSE student." Subscribe for more AI tutorials. Still, then take care, bye-bye.